Okay, it's time for my yearly favorites, my 2018 beauty favorites for skincare and hair care. I have a mix of both here and some tools as well. So if you want to see what I loved in 2018 as far as skincare and hair care go, just keep watching. I've done two 2018 year-end favorites so far. If you haven't seen them, I'm gonna have them linked down below for you, and I have another one coming soon. So stay tuned for that one. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my videos. Also hit that notification bell, because if you're only subscribed, you only get notified of certain videos, not all of them. In my lip and eye video that I just did, I was asked by a few of you why I didn't mention my Armani eye tint in Cold Copper, because I talk about it all the time. If you don't hear me mention a product that I talk about all the time, it's probably because I discovered it in a different year. These are products that I discovered in 2018, not that I discovered in a previous year. And there could be an oversight. So do let me know if I have overlooked something. I try to make my list as the year goes, but every now and then something gets overlooked, like this first product, which should have been in that lip and eye video, and that is the Wander Beauty Unlashed Mascara. I completely forgot to put this in that video. I had my other current favorite mascara, which is the Hourglass Caution Mascara, but I just completely inadvertently left this one out. This is such a great mascara and one of the only non-waterproof ones that will actually hold my curl. I usually have to use a waterproof mascara to hold my curl, but this one works. I love this. It's such a great everyday mascara. It's gentle. It leaves my lashes feeling fluffy and full. I love it, and I completely left it out of that video. So this is just a little extra for this video that has nothing to do with skincare or hair care, but I could not let it go without being mentioned in my year-end favorites. If you saw my December favorites, I told you guys that I was going to do a much better job in 2019 of talking about affordable and drugstore beauty products. So please forgive me if I am starting off with something that is, you know, a little bit pricey, but I have a lot of favorites from this brand, and I'm going to talk about three in particular that just stand out to me right away. And that brand is Drunk Elephant. They have been really good to me as far as sending me products, but I've also spent a lot of my own money on their products because they're just so good for my skin. I am over 40, I have sensitive skin, I have rosacea, I have oily combination skin. So I'm trying to fight aging, but I also don't want my face to be greasy in the process, and that could be quite a battle. And a lot of their products just work really well for me. So the first one that I'm gonna mention is the Protini Polypeptide Cream. Yes, cream. This is such a great product if you have skin like I do, oily combination, and you don't want something that's going to feel heavy. I can wear this during the day. I can wear it at night. If I need an extra boost, I'll mix in the Bee Hydra with it at night only. But this is just such a nice moisturizer. It's effective. If the La La Retro, whatever the full name of that product is, if that is a little too heavy for you, then you might really like this product. If you've tried this product and it's not enough for you, then try the La La Retro cream. I think that's kind of where these two fit in. This is my favorite moisturizer of the moment and of the year. A product that I love by them that I don't have right here right now is the Sukari Baby Facial. I do have a full size. I think it might be upstairs though. Anyway, it's such a great exfoliant product if you want something that's actually effective. It's one that I thought would be too harsh for my skin, but it's actually really, really good for my sensitive skin, and it does what it's supposed to. The last one that I'm going to mention by them, even though I probably could just talk about every product I've tried from them in 2018, is the D-Bronzy Anti-Pollution Sunshine Serum. I wasn't sure whether I should put this in my face products video that I did recently or this one. I figured I'd do it in this one since you can put it on at the beginning of your routine. You can mix it in with your skincare, and it does have good skin ingredients in it. It has protective antioxidants and omega fatty acids in it, and this will give you a glow and bronze you up if you are feeling a little pale or a little sallow. It's a really great product. You can use it on its own, very concentrated, face, neck. You can mix it in with your lotions, your serums, your makeup. It's very customizable. This is something that will be with me forever. I guess this next product falls in the skincare category. It's a deodorant but it's one that I discovered in 2018 and I haven't looked back. It's pricey, but it works. This is a product that I have been using for several months now, and it has not given up on me yet. This is the Donna Karan Cashmere Mist. I'm on my second one, but it took me forever to use up the first one. Way, way, way past when I would have used up a drugstore deodorant. I feel like technically there's less in here, but it's such a solid form that it lasts really a long time. This is not a natural deodorant. I have gotten rashes from pretty much every natural deodorant I've ever tried. Most of the drugstore deodorants just don't work for me, or they stop working after a while. This works. It's continued to work, so I'm going to continue to use it. Let's mix in a hair product, shall we? The IGK Beach Club Volumizing Texture Spray and their Charcoal Dry Shampoo, which I am out of, but I would be holding it in this hand if I had it. Both of these products are so good. If you have hair like mine, it's kind of fine, but you have a lot of it and you just need a little bit of texture. I clearly did not use it today because I'm pretty straight today, but when I am doing beachy waves or curls, I can just put a little bit of this in there and it just gives it that texture that just makes it look so good. And it doesn't make it feel gunky at all. And I'll say that about the dry shampoo. It's an effective dry shampoo and it really has surpassed my first favorite, which was the Living Proof, as my favorite because I feel like it doesn't leave a white cast, neither did the Living Proof. I feel like I get a little bit more for my money from the IGK and it's just a really, really great dry shampoo. So I would really like to try more from this brand in 2019 because I've really liked what I've tried so far. This might be breaking the rules a little bit, but I have to put DHC in here because I really rediscovered this brand in 2018. I'm holding up the Deep Cleansing Oil because this is what I've been using all December, and I've used it on and off for the past 20 years, but largely over the past couple of years because of what I do, I've been using other brands to remove my makeup. Clinique Take the Day Off Balm, which I still love, but I've gone back to this recently. I've gone back to their mild cleansing bar. I've gone back to their mild lotion and their essence. I'm incorporating a lot of DHC items into my routine. They have their Olive Essentials set that's really nice, and it's especially good for me because it's very basic and I have sensitive skin, and I've just really been enjoying this. So I guess, you know, I'm kind of breaking the rules because I didn't discover the brand in 2018 or discover these products, but I haven't really talked about them on my channel that much, if you know, only in passing. So I had to bring them up in my yearly favorites because, you know, had it not been for discovering them again, I wouldn't be able to tell you guys about them. This little guy right here, I discovered when I did a video about brands you've never heard of or products you've never heard of. This is the Lua I-Beam Oil. I got this off of Etsy from an independent seller, and this has just been a really great hero product for me. This is a product that I roll on underneath my eyes every morning after I cleanse my face before I put on my eye cream, and it just adds an extra element of moisture and protection underneath my eyes. I just feel like it makes everything look a little bit better. It's got plant-based oils that are designed to combat and prevent lines and puffiness, and that's what I use. I use it every morning before I put on my eye cream. Love it. Before I keep going, don't forget to leave me your 2018 favorites for skincare and hair care because I love trying new things and I want to hear what you guys love this year as well, because a lot of times it gives me ideas for things I want to try too. This isn't really skincare, but I really didn't know where to put this because although I mentioned a couple of tools in my face video, I didn't really do a tools video. I am going to do a video on my favorite brushes, I think in January or February. So stay tuned for that. But this is the Sigmagic Brush Cleaner Scrub by Sigma, and you can see how much I've used it because it's usually pretty solid white up to here, and you can kind of, I don't know if you can see, but I'm scraping my fingers across these little silicone bristles. But what you do is this suctions to your sink and you can just wet your brush, swirl it on here, and the soap and the bristles together really get it clean, and then you rinse it off under your sink. It's so effortless and so easy. It's not skincare, but it is cleansing something, so that's why I put it in this video. This is such a great product that I'm not sure if I'll be without it. It is the fastest way for me to clean my brushes, and I clean a lot of brushes. I feel like this is the first time that I have ever been completely satisfied with my hair tools. Because I feel like in my life, I've always said, oh, you know, I need another flat iron, I need another curling iron, or, you know, if I only had a different hair dryer. This is the first time I've ever been completely satisfied with all of my hair appliances. So my iron appliances are T3. I just happened to need to replace my other ones this year, both of them. Actually, all of my appliances needed to be replaced this year. It was a weird year of appliances for me. And I chose T3 for these just because, I don't know, it seemed like a good option. I'm very happy with my choice. So this is the flat iron, and this is actually the Whirl Trio. This is an attachment that I got for it. This comes off at the base, and this came with 3 wands, but you can actually just get a clip iron from them. I find that even on the 3 heat setting, it works beautifully for my hair, and I feel like my hair has stayed in really good condition, even with heat styling pretty much every day. And 2 other heat appliances that I talked about in my gift guide and in another video. I can't remember what other video it was, but I didn't want to be too repetitive, so I didn't put them in a monthly favorites. The Revlon, I don't know what the official name of this is. It's been sold out online though for a while, so maybe post holidays it's back in stock. I got my mom one of these for Christmas. I know a lot of people got these for Christmas. It looks huge. It's kind of this oval shape, and it really works as a blow dryer and a round brush or an oval brush in one. It looks like it's not gonna work, but it works so beautifully if you're straightening your hair or you just want fullness. If you use a round brush or a paddle brush to get volume and lift at your crown, this will do it in about half the time because you don't need to fumble with 2 hands. It's so easy. And I did break down and get the Dyson hair dryer. I just wanted to see if it was worth the hype, and it is. I don't always straighten my hair, and I don't always want a little bit of a bend in it. And this will dry my hair in a little bit less than half the time of my old dryer, which was a professional dryer. I really can't get over how quickly this dries my hair and how smooth it makes it. There are 3 attachments to it, including a diffuser, and it really is just as good as they say. All the controls are on the back here. It's very ergonomic as far as holding it. The weight is in the handle as opposed to up here, so it does take a little bit to get used to because you're used to having that weight up here. But yeah, this is really nice. I am really glad that I got both of those. Anything that can shave any amount of time off of me styling my hair is more than welcome, because that's probably what I dislike about getting ready the most. This Derma E Even Tone Brightening Cleanser. I discovered several products from Derma E. I think this is my second one, and I may have another backup somewhere. This is just such a great cleanser if you have sensitive skin, but you want your skin to look nice and bright and even. I feel like it smells good, but it's not an overbearing fragrance. It's sulfate free, it's pH balanced. This is a natural skincare line. They use great ingredients in their products. It's very gentle. I'm just a big fan of this line in general, but this product just really stands out to me because it's something that is either in my shower or by my sink pretty much all the time. Be sure and let me know what you liked as far as skincare and hair care goes down below in the comments. If you're not subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you here on a regular basis and have you as part of the family. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for my next Best of 2018 lifestyle video coming up shortly. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.